Swiss scientists have pulled off a jaw-dropping breakthrough. They grew the world's first fully functional human bone marrow model right in the lab. This bone marrow acts like a blood factory, producing billions of blood cells, mimicking exactly what happens inside your bones. This could revolutionize how we research blood diseases and test cancer treatments. All without animal testing, but that's not all. Scientists also invented a dissolvable microneedle patch that delivers immune-boosting molecules straight to damaged heart tissue after a heart attack, jump-starting repair, while avoiding side effects. On the comfort front, 8 Sleep introduced a pod pillow cover that cools and heats your pillow perfectly, adapting to your sleep stages without changing its feel. Finally, tech creativity hits new heights. A computer science grad built a fully functional CPU inside Minecraft, complete with registers and RAM, sparking debates about simulations and what's possible in gaming. The future is wild, and we're just getting started. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about bone marrow breakthroughs in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.